In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore old photos in seconds using Canva AI. If you have faded family pictures, blurry childhood memories, or damaged black and white photos that you'd love to bring back to life, Canva makes the entire process incredibly simple with its built-in AI tools. The best part is, you don't need any advanced editing skills or expensive software. Everything happens right inside your browser. Make sure to watch until the end so you can see exactly how to restore your image and add it back into your design. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're inside Canva, you can either open an existing design or create a new blank design. The size doesn't matter too much at this stage, especially if you're just restoring a photo for download. After your design is open, look to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Upload section. This is where you can bring your old photo into Canva. Click on Upload Files and select the image from your computer. You can upload JPG, PNG, or most standard image formats. Once the upload is complete, click on the image to add it to your canvas. Resize it if needed so you can clearly see all the details. Now that your old photo is inside Canva, the next step is to access the AI restoration tool. On the left-hand toolbar, click on Apps. Canva has a wide range of apps and AI-powered features, so in the search bar, type Restore Old Photos. When you see the Restore Old Photos app appear in the results, click on it to open it. The app panel will open and you'll see a simple interface with a Restore button. This tool is specifically designed to fix faded colors, reduce scratches, improve sharpness, and enhance facial details automatically using AI. To begin the restoration process, make sure your uploaded image is selected, or upload it directly through the app if prompted. Then click the Restore button. Canva AI will now start analyzing your image. Depending on the size and quality of the photo, this may take a few seconds. During this time, the AI enhances contrast, sharpens blurry areas, and intelligently repairs visible damage. Once the process is complete, you'll see the restored version of your photo. In most cases, you'll immediately notice clearer details, improved lighting, and more vibrant tones, while still preserving the original character of the image. If you're happy with the result, click the option to Add to Design. This will place the restored image directly onto your canvas. From here, you can resize it, compare it with the original, or even place them side by side to see the difference. You can also continue editing using Canva's other tools, such as adjusting brightness and contrast manually, adding text, creating a photo collage, or preparing the image for print. When you're finished, click Share in the top right corner and download your restored photo in your preferred format, such as PNG or JPG. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've restored an old photo in seconds using Canva AI, without needing Photoshop or any complicated editing techniques. This is perfect for preserving family memories, enhancing historical images, or even improving old content for social media and presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Canva tips and AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.